Good morning, boys and girls. Today we have a different page for the word do that we haven't done yet. Okay, so we're going to read the word with our reader finger. I'm going to put my finger underneath it. Do. And this is one of our heart words too, because when we say and sing our ABC song with the sounds, ooh isn't one of the sounds, right? So the part that we have to remember by heart is the O. The O says ooh in do. Here we are going to trace the word, and I'm going to find the number 1 first. I'm going to put my pencil there and go around. And I'm looking at number 2, and my number 2 doesn't have an up arrow, so that means I have to pick my pencil up to start at the top. Okay, so 2 motions: around, pick my pencil up, then down. Okay, my O is 1 motion, 1 circle. Then you're going to practice writing the word on your own. So again, we start at the dotted line, circle around, pick our pencil up, and go down. And then our O. And let's try that again. Start at the dotted line, like a C. I make a C, and then I pick my pencil up and start at the top, and my O. Decorate the word do. You can color it any way you like. Find the missing letters. Do. Which letter is missing, the D or the O? The O. So you are going to use your pencil and write an O. What letter is missing from this word do? The D. So we're going to practice starting in the middle, making a C, picking our pencil up, and making the big line down. Good job. And which letter is missing from this word do? The O again. Silly O. Keeps running away. Good job. Color in the letters you need to make the word. What letters do we need to make the word do? We need a D and an O. So we're going to find the D and the O in these letters. A, B, C, D. We're going to color in D. E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. Here's my O. All right, I don't need any more letters to make the word do, so only these 2 letters are colored in. Then, find the word and circle it. Is this do? It has an O like do, but does it start with a D? No, this isn't do. Is this the word do? Nope, this has too many letters. What about this one? Is this the word do? Yeah, D-O, do. What about this word? Nope, this word has too many letters too, right? What about this one? D-O, do. You're right. What about this one? This one has an O, but the O's in the wrong spot. The O is supposed to be the second letter, not the first letter, the second letter. And this word doesn't have a D. This is not do. What about this word? This word doesn't have a D or an O, and it has 3 letters. Do is only 2 letters. This is not the word do. What about this word? This is not the word do. There's no D, there's no O, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4 letters. Too many letters. What about this one? Is this the word do? It sure is. D-O, do. So you should have 3 do's circled. Then, if you want to, you can color the little superhero people up here that when I just glance at them, they make me think that they are, what's his name? Yoda with his sideways ears. Good job doing your do page, friends. You did an excellent job. I probably went a little bit too fast, and I am sorry, but you can always pause the videos That is the one great thing about having video lessons, is that if it goes too fast, you can pause it and catch up. All right, I hope that you guys have a great day.